The occupiers here, the Muslims, they build cities and villages on our destroyed cities. And they did agriculture in all the state of Israel, also in Samaria. Olives and other issues. They never succeeded to do grapes in Samaria. In Galilee, yes. In Judea, yes. Not in Samaria, never. Never. And I must tell you that this place, by the way, is the top of Mount Gerizim, Mount of Blessing, near Har Bracha. Har Bracha, it means Mount of Blessing town. That the pioneers from here, this place, this town, started to make a vineyard, to make grapes. From the first time, it was the best of the grapes in Israel, and the best of the wine of Israel. It's like this stones, this land, save her to their sons. The land here was waiting 2,000 years to the Jews will come and build again and do the symbol of Jeremiah prophecy on the ground, the best of the wine of Israel. Jesus. And then we see this non-Jewish volunteers that come to be partner with us. It's not just the work. It's historical issue, historical justice, and it's a message from God. Message that we are in the days before the Messiah will come, and we are doing this together. Exactly like Jeremiah told in this 31 chapter. This non-Jewish will call to the Jews, come to Zion back. It's right in here.